So today we're going to learn how to protect your data in Supabase using something called role level security, or RLS for short. In our Hacker News project, we already have tables set up with role level security. That security, we're going to scroll back up and we're going to read it. So we have role level security for the actual information and for our user profiles, so that we only are allowing the user itself to update their own profile, while anyone can view the profile and the information from the users. Role level security helps prevent access that is unintended to sensitive data and information. Also, Lovable has a nifty security feature. If you click the publish button, you can see that there are two Supabase warnings. We can go and we can see what those are. So our function search path is mutable, which means that people can change it. And there's leaked password protection disabled, which means if someone's password is leaked on the internet, it will not automatically disable that password for that user's account. So to make sure that your account is secure and your database and your user's data is secure, you're going to want to see what the security advisor says and implement those changes. If you're unsure how to do that, you can always go to Lovable and ask in chat mode how to fix those. Now, let's talk about roles. Let's say I want to have an administrative account for my users, for my Hacker News platform. And as an admin, I can go and see a specific admin dashboard to moderate some of the posts. When creating roles in Supabase, you're going to want to create an enum type in your profiles table. So let's do that. We can simply say, I want to add a simple admin role to my users. This admin can view a special admin page that has access to edit, delete posts. I want to add a simple admin role to my users. This admin can view a special admin page that has access to edit and delete posts. And as you can see, Lovable is writing the SQL along with that role level security that we talked about earlier in defining user roles. In this instance, it's creating a type for user roles, admin and user. Then it's creating a table to store that user information in conjunction with the profiles. That way, each user has an assigned user role as admin or user. We're enabling role level security on the user roles table, so we can create a security definer function to check if a user has a specific role, to make sure that only authorized people are going to authorize pages. Now, once I finish reading this and it looks all up to par, again, if I'm unsure of something, I can always toggle on chat mode and ask follow-up questions. But for now, this looks like exactly what I want to do. So I'm going to click the apply changes button. And now Lovable is going to write my Supabase functionalities, SQL, and code to enable role level security and those admin and user roles. So now Lovable has added the admin role system to my application and it's updated some changes. So I see it's updated the auth context, it created an admin guard component to protect user only routes, and it also updated app to include a new admin route, and it's create an admin dashboard. So let's go test this out. I'm going to click on my profile, and as you can see, I am listed as an admin. So when I go to the admin dashboard, I have access and it grants me different privileges. And I can click manage users. There's no functionality here because we haven't added it, and then we can manage content. So this is a simple way to add different roles to your account. So let's log out and let's create a new user who is just simple user I'm going to create an account, and as you can see, I do not have permissions for admin. And that is how you create simple roles for your users and enable role level security to make sure that your account is secure and your users' data is also secure.